Hello everyone, it's Future and Best Adventures here, and today I'll be showing you how to premiere one of your videos on YouTube. So, go to YouTube, make sure you have your video ready in your camera roll or files, and make sure to edit the video. Then if there's a plus over here, or there's a create button, just click that, and then click upload video. Just wait for that to load. You're going to select one of your files or stuff from your camera roll. And then you want to click the file, and then open. That will open the file. Then just edit it. Okay, I'm just putting that. I'll just wait for this to process. Okay, so it's all uploaded. And first, so if you have like a thumbnail, then go ahead and upload that. You just wanna it's just like posting a video. There's all the other steps. I'll just go through it step by step. Example. And yeah, that's my, and if you want to copy this, and then just use add the stuff, and then next you can add cards. You can add one, and then I'll just add this in the beginning. And then right here, you want to press public, and then set as an instance premiere, and then press schedule. I'll just put it today, and then a time in the future. You can set it at whatever time you want. Put it at 15, then set as premiere. Then you press schedule. And that's how you do it. That's how you make a premiere. See you in the next video. Bye.